G'day boys and girls, it's artist Wayne here, and today's word is easy. That's right, easy is the word because we're on a Charles Spadowski easy ride. Today I'm riding with my mates Mad Mal, his KTM twin Adrian, Anthony on his little Husky, and a newcomer to our group. Her name's Kate, and she must have been thinking, what have I got myself into? And the five of us were riding through the Wattigans to meet up with our mate Jason, aka Charles Spadowski, for an easy ride. Now allow me to tell you a few things about my mate Jason, aka Charles Spadowski, that you don't know. Word on the street has it that when Charles was younger, he was a stunt double for Arnold Schwarzenegger. And throughout his working life, he's been a rodeo clown, a mafia hitman, and a professional snake charmer. And now he houses one of the largest collections of Ken dolls in the Southern Hemisphere. And holy miniature motorcycles, Batman! Is that my mate Steve riding a Pee-wee? It's definitely not his 990 KTM. And being an easy rider gave Adrian and I plenty of time to muck about with one another.
Cool. Yeah. Thanks, mate.
Don't worry, everyone. I'm just grabbing my tool roll. In fact, we had to get our tools out quite a bit throughout the day to fix Kate's DRZ 400.
If you get up, I think I'd be better on my 990. I don't want you to think we're too mad. No, we won't get up there. I've already come off. I blame Steve because I went past him. And then I went the hard way. Well done, Adrian.
As you can see, this Charles Spadowski easy ride was taking us all over the countryside, from one big ass hill to the next, and they were all joined by singles. And our destination today was going to be the abandoned homestead. Folklore has it that this place was witness to the horrific Yowie massacre of 1979. But first, we needed to get there. We were, after all, on a Charles Spadowski easy ride. And another KTM gets in the way.
I'm blaming you for that, Adrian.
But where all other riders fail, Charles Spadowski succeeds. Yes, it must be comforting knowing that you're being videoed whilst traversing your bike down a snotty, ruddy hill, trying not to fall off. Not that Kate had anything to worry about, she handled that DRZ perfectly. Actually, I guess her one concern would be collecting the pieces of her bike as they fell off. notice how I don't help? It's just more rewarding that way for both of us. Plus, it's more important to catch everything on video. And when Kate didn't feel like riding up the hills, it was a pleasure to watch Jason throw her bike up. Come to think of it, maybe that's why it was falling apart.
When I work at home, Jacqueline says to me, just do it like Jason would do it.
Yes, we were doing more repairs on Kate's poor DRZ 400. In fact, towards the end of the ride, the whole tail end near fell off her bike. And it's not often I pass Adrian on his KTM, but when I do, I love it. Apparently this was an extremely hard hill that was part of the Waddingans Rally. And of course the only person that managed to get to the top was Charles Spadowski. Yes, after laughing at Mao's near miss on the singles, just before coming out on the main trail, I dropped it. I actually wore my Dunlop 606 out on this easy ride. Yeehaw! We'd finally made it! We were now on the downhill run towards the homestead.
Is there any evidence around here that you can show that proves there was a yowie here? It smells like yowie, doesn't it? It's definitely not yowie fur. Seriously, yowie fur, look at that.
Oh, the remains of the yowie attack.
Do you think it's a yowie baby? It could be a baby yowie. I think that's what it is. Look at the fur. So guys, Wayne tells me when that yowie had sex with him that it didn't really affect him. What do you think?
Oh, man, it did! It sure did!